luminary. Indeed, well accepted by the chair of this committee. Lahat ng points na ni-raise mo, and I'm going to consider it seriously, and I'm going to roll on it in the proper time.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Senator Chis. I would like to acknowledge the presence of Senator Grace Poe, another veteran senator who can give us some insights into this investigation. Ma'am, you have the floor.
Thank you, Senator Bato. Actually, it's been a while since I attended a public order hearing. It's been years. Talagang masalimuot pag public order hearing. Pag meron kang hindi napatawag, sasabihin, meron bang ikinukubli? Pero ang totoo nun, kailangan din tayo nag-iingat kung saan galing ang ating mga impormasyon. Tama yung sinabi din ni Senator Chis. Actually, Ginoong Morales, sa tanggapan namin, hindi lang kay Senator Bato, maraming nagbigay ng babala sa amin tungkol sa inyong karakter. Mga patong-patong na kaso laban sa inyo. Ngayon, hindi naman natin sinasabi that it should jeopardize your testimony. I'm just telling you that we really have to go through with a fine-tooth comb the allegations that are being brought forth our committees. So, at the proper time, I would like to ask also, there are certain, kasi some cases against him natanggap din ninyo yata yung folder na sinubmit.
Yes, this is pertaining to the housing homeowners association. That's the Stapa case and everything. So, binigay ko na sa aking
thank you for going through them. Actually, that's not naman the topic right now. No, so I don't want to bring it up anymore. Basta you have it already in your hands, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Your Honor.
Because it also will it somewhat gives a background on our witness or our resource persons. So that's all. I'm just here to observe. Paalis na rin ako dahil may isa pa akong hearing din.
Thank you, Your Honor. Salamat for giving us time. Salamat. Thank you.